Ocean animals. Today, you'll pick which ocean animal you'd rather see. Then, do the matching exercise. Let's go. Would you rather see a clownfish or an angelfish? If you said clownfish, do the arm wiggle. If you said angelfish, do the arm press. Would you rather see a blue lobster or a red ghost crab? If you said blue lobster, do some squat thrusts. If you said red ghost crab, do some belly taps. Would you rather see a beluga whale or a whale shark? If you said beluga whale, do the paw. If you said whale shark, do the warrior pose. Would you rather see a seahorse or a sea turtle? If you said seahorse, do some side sprints. If you said sea turtle, do some tiny arm circles. Would you rather see a leopard shark or a moray eel? If you said leopard shark, do some straight kicks. If you said moray eel, stretch your arms up. Would you rather see a starfish or an anemone? If you said starfish, do some shoulder curls. If you said anemone, do the diagonal balance pose. Would you rather see a frogfish or a bobtail squid? If you said frogfish, do the bounce. If you said bobtailed squid, do some alternating arm bends. Would you rather see a peacock shrimp or a ribbon eel? If you said peacock shrimp, do a silly dance. If you said ribbon eel, do some punches. Would you rather see some dolphins or some jellyfish? If you said dolphins, stretch to your toes. If you said jellyfish, do some tricep extensions. If you enjoyed this video, hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget, movement is a must.